Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install the community edition of LangChain. Okay, so first up, open up your favorite browser and just go ahead and type in pypi.org like so, and /project/LangChain-community. All right. Once that's done, again, pypi.org/project/LangChain-community, hit on enter. There you go. So as you can see here, we have this page. Okay. And for quick installation, just go ahead and click on this copy button. Now go ahead and open up the regular command prompt. Then just press on Ctrl+V and hit on enter. Wait for the process to finish. All right, as you can see here, it says successfully installed. You are now good to go. Just type down exit. And that's how you install the community edition of LangChain. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.